In this section, we'll understand the concept of Open Zeppelin library. Now, if you go to Open Zeppelin in Google, you'll be able to find there is this website called as openzeppelin.com. Let me just open that in a new tab. Also, let me go to Open Zeppelin contracts on the GitHub, right? So if you look at this openzeppelin.com, they say that this is the standard for secure blockchain applications. What is this? What does that mean? Is that this OpenZeppelin is a library, right? So this library is going to give you all the required things for you to build secure contracts. We have seen an example of library where I built a math contract, and that library was used to do the division in a secure manner, right? In the same way, this OpenZeppelin library has contracts for anything and everything that you can do on Solidity, like cryptographic functions, mathematics, creating tokens, creating ownable contracts, all of the things, right? So you can either install this as a npm package to use in your Node.js application, or you will be able to import the GitHub into your program itself, right? If you go into this OpenZeppelin contracts GitHub page, you can find that they have a contracts as the folder, right? Within this contracts folder, you can find this GSN, and this is gas station network. If you want, anything related to gas station and how much gas it is taking, etc. Then access related stuff like ownable contracts, where this contract will give owner and ownership of the token and things like that, right? Then we can also see there is cryptography, which talks about ECDSA, right? If you want to implement ECDSA algorithm, which is elliptical curve digital signature algorithm used by Ethereum, right? Or Merkle proof, you can use this. Go to introspection, you can find ERC 165 tokens. So this is another standard, right, which talks about introspection into the contracts. Then go to math, you will find there is safe math, which we are going to look at in the next section, right? Then you'll have mocks, so access control, call receiver mock. But these are kind of mock applications you'll be able to build, which also has ERC 721 mocks if you want, right? Now you'll go to payment, so you can see pull payment, payment splitter, etc., right? There is also an escrow which you can use if you want to create a escrow kind of a contract. Go to presets, you'll be able to find preset minter parser, for ERC 20 and 1155, right? So these, and then go to token, you'll be able to find 1155, ERC 20, ERC 721, and ERC 777. You are free to go ahead and understand 1155 and 777, and since you have already gone through 20 and 721 in detail, you will be able to understand any of the token standards that you go through, right? So if you want to create an ERC 20 token very easily using OpenZeppelin standards, we'll be able to do that, right? And in the next section, we are going to create an ERC 20 token using OpenZeppelin, okay? And then you have utilities, where you have addresses, arrays, counters, enumerations, possible contracts, strings, etc., right? So these are the things that you will be able to create using OpenZeppelin library, and that makes your smart contract a very secure smart contract, because this library has thought of multiple things, multiple security challenges that a smart contract can go through, and they have implemented all of that into their contracts that they have created. So instead of you pulling your hair thinking about what security do I need to add more, right? What if someone hacks my contract and things like that? You don't need to worry. You can use the OpenZeppelin standards to create your contract. We'll see in the next section where we'll be creating an ERC20 token using OpenZeppelin.